The Anker Advantage. Join the 55 million plus powered by our leading technology. Simultaneous high-speed charging. 2 PowerIQ 3.0 enabled USB-C ports combine for a huge 50 W of power. A 30 W port feeds your most power-hungry devices including USB-C notebooks, while a 20 W port provides high-speed charging to tablets and phones. Universal compatibility. Our PowerIQ 3.0 technology is designed to work flawlessly with virtually any mobile device including phones, tablets, notebooks, and more. Superior safety. Anker's exclusive MultiProtect safety system provides complete protection for you and your devices. What you get: PowerDrive III Duo USB-C car charger, welcome guide, our worry-free 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Great charger. This charger has worked out great. I have been using it for a couple of weeks now. I am a digital nomad, living on a sailboat in the winter, spring, fall and on the road in the summer. This charger allows me to charge my 2022 MacBook Air M2 in my vehicle without the use of an inverter. I can also charge a phone while charging the laptop. The form factor is quite small. It has fit and worked in every 12 volts car outlet I have tried to use it in.